open our spirit so that we may know your leading and guidance, and open our hearts so that we may receive the wonderful love. May we continue to bless the people who in any way help in making this event possible, praying for the success of these endeavors. We ask all these in the glory of
greet everyone a happy International Tourist Guide Day.
Thank you.
And so we are all our tourist guides here in Albay and Bicol, and I'm very happy that your tribe is already growing. I understand that I think 3 years ago we were having problems because we don't have the number of tourist guide that we need here in Albay. So during one of our meetings in our Albay Tourism Council meeting, I shared to you the comments coming from the tour operators from Manila that we really don't have the ample number, right number of tour guides, and also the skills that we have needed for them to be able to get ground hunters here. But I told them we already have now the competent tour guides, good tour guides that DOT has trained for the past year. So let us be together, tulong-tulong tayo na improve natin dito sa mga travel agencies outside of Bicol region that we are really good handlers here in Bicol region. Rest assured that I'm really helping you. I'm really promoting all of you here, the Bicol guides, to our travel agencies outside of Albay, outside of Bicol, for that matter. And today, I commend you for coming up with this activity. You are providing your services for free to be able to show to the people that you are really passionate with your craft, with what you're doing, and you really want, you really believe in the tourism industry of Albay and Bicol as well. And I know that you have suffered much from this pandemic, and despite that, you are giving out your services for free today. And we are one with you, RD Herbie and I are really looking forward for the tourism industry to jumpstart already, because we want to help you, the workers in the tourism industry. And last Friday, we had a talk with TESDA. They will be providing trainings, especially for the people in the local tourism industry. And we were hoping that Albay and Bicol will be a repository of human capital for tourism. Maraming workers in the tourism industry coming from this region. So hopefully we will be successful in working with TESDA in that matter. So without much ado, I'd like to wish you good luck and congratulations once again in this endeavor. And together we will make tourism fly high again in Albay and Bicol region. Thank you very much and good day.
Thank you. And of course, I would like to say thank you din po sa ating Regional Director, Herbie Aguas, and the Department of Tourism for sponsoring everything from the, of course, sa ating tour, sa ating shirt, of course, sa ating mga meals, and at the same time, of course, to our t-shirt na talaga namang exciting suotin later. Maraming salamat po, RD. Palapakan naman po natin. And of course, the ever-supportive Provincial Tourism Officer of the Province of Albay na kahit one text at gabi na ay talagang sumasagot. Of course, maraming salamat, Miss Dorothy Fernandez.
Finally open. Sabi nga ni Dottie, we've suffered enough, and one of the hardest hit na negosyo at hanap buhay ay ang industriya ng turismo. And those tour guides, kayo po, talaga isa kayo sa mga naramdaman yung lupit ng COVID-19. But then, sabi, we are resilient enough that we are going back, we're bouncing back, we're restarting tourism here in the Bicol region. And walang iba po makakatulong ang Department of Tourism Region 5, kayo po mga tour guides. Kanina, sabi nga, sinasabi na lahat si Dodi. Pero sabi ko, i-reiterate ko yun na marami pong mga activities and mga gagawin po ang probinsya ng Albay at ang buong Bicol. And I want you to be, we should be partners here, Flores, and with your leadership. Tama nga yun, I know you na hindi lang bilang isa kang politiko, you started your public service in a very young age, and until now, it's still public service. So, I hope we can come up with activities na tayo matutulungan. And actually, we will have a very big event this coming April, yung regional travel fair. This will be hosted by Source of One, and we will be having guests coming from all over the country, yung mga buyer and sellers ng ating mga produkto dito. So this will be almost a week event, no, Dottie? 27 hanggang first week of May. So I think pag medyo na-plancha na namin yung mga itinerary, I will be updating you also para kung pwede tayo saan pumasok doon. Pwede we can do some activities. And of course, I'm just excited that finally, me and Apple have met. Nakikita kami lagi ni Apple sa Zoom, isa sa mga pinakamaagang nakausap ko na very excited na pag-reopen ng Bicol region. Kaya Apple, you're always helping Bicol region, and I'm happy that you're here. And I'm sure yung tour guiding also will be of help with your expertise. And of course, DOT will not stop with how we can help improve and help the regional tourist guides here. Ayoko na, sabi ko nga meron na tayong mga may certificate, huwag na tayo na sa mga color room. Yan ang number one problem din natin. And let's help each other how to battle up those mga color room na mga, kasi kayo nagtsatsaga, kayo yung kumaga binuno nyo yung mga the knowledge and expertise of being a guide. So I hope today mamaya mag-uusap-usap tayo. I'm all ears here, and whatever we can do for the improvement of tourism here in Bicol region, sana tulong-tulong tayo. So again, happy International Tourist Day,
and our Oriental Hotels and Resorts in Manila. Kinontak pa talaga ako to be with us this morning. Of course, we would like also to thank the Regional Director of the Department of Tourism for providing everything 100% full support for us for today. And of course, our Ma'am Dorothy, despite of your busy schedule, still you're here with us. And for everybody, happy International Tourist Guide Day. And of course, maraming salamat sa ating mga venue. Our venue later will be at the Somlang Lake. Alright, Somlang Lake is headed by our Purong Barangay of Barangay Sumblang, Felipe Noe Napa Jr. And of course, Kagsawa. And later, in between na, no? Tapos, Turitik, mamaya, di ba? Okay, and maraming salamat once again. So in the meantime, enjoy the food provided by the proxy by the Oriental Albay. Then later, we will go up para po sa konting room or ocular inspection ng ating proxy with the Oriental. And once again, thank you and enjoy the show.
Breakfast program, we're doing ocular tour at Proxy Hotel.
Please naman! Isa pa. Pag-review din.